In the first part, I brought throttle down to 1600 rpms, and I ensured a smooth descent, maintaining level wings and an airspeed around 85 knots. Then I relied on the puppy lights for altitude guidance. If they have more number of red lights than white lights, it would mean that the plane is flying too low, and vice versa. Their pattern, two whites and two reds, told us that our position was perfect. These lights, crucial in our approach, ensured precision. In the second part, deploying full flaps altered our approach. I brought throttle down to 1500 rpms this time, and despite the added drag, our descent remained controlled. However, the puppy lights indicated a deviation attributed to the turbulence encountered. With all lights showing red momentarily, the challenge became apparent. Yet with steady hands and focused determination, the landing was well executed. Here, as we can see, I deployed the brakes and the landing was successful.